Alright guys, so I picked up this little car a few months back. I've been working on it here and there when I get a minute. And I just want to show y'all you can still build a hot rod for, next to nothing. It's not going to be a show car or anything like that, but you can still build something fun for almost nothing. If you surf marketplace and the internet and wheel and deal and trade, you can still build something pretty cool. Anyway, the car is a 73 Nova 2-door. It was actually going to be scrapped. Had a locked up 6-cylinder in it. Somebody put a one-piece floor pan in it, about the nicest part of the car, but it was headed for the scrapyard. Anyway, I picked the car up and pulled the motor and transmission out of it, sent them to the scrap pile, and found a 454 on marketplace for $400. Went and picked it up. Guy said it had a little cam in it. Pulled the valve covers off. It's got a set of 781 heads on it, an Edelbrock manifold, 750 Holly carburetor. It does have a pretty healthy hydraulic camshaft in it. Anyway, I put a water pump on it, and I had an alternator in the brackets and stuff like that. And had a set of headers off my Firebird I used to have. I put them in the car and got the motor in it, and traded some stuff around from a buddy of mine, and ended up with a turbo 350 manual valve body put in it. Had a 3200 converter, and had a fuel cell and some AN line and stuff, so we went ahead and put that in it. And the car came with a couple sets of seats. I just bolted a set of seats in there, and shifter I had. And I would say right now I've probably got around $1,800 in the car. And you can get in it and go anywhere in town you want to go, and have your fun little beat around hot rod. It's not perfect by any means. I got a few more pieces I want to get and do the 6872 nose conversion on it. I got to get some grill brackets and a bumper and stuff. But the car is not in all that bad a shape. Like I said, I've seen worse. Front and back window areas do need some attention, but this is the 454. Like I said, it's got a good sound to it. Seems pretty strong. It's got good oil pressure. Bought this set of centerline tail stars off marketplace for $200 with tires. I'll try to eventually find some drag radials for the back of it. I do have the back seat. It's just not in it right now. Like I said, it does have a new one-piece floor pan in it. This carpet was in it. I just cleaned it up a little bit. Threw a set of gauges in it. Built that switch panel. If y'all seen my other videos, y'all know I had a 73 in high school, so this is kind of reliving all that for me, I guess. It's got the original 8.5 rear end. I put a Carter fuel pump in it. Those are real cheap, like $65. Built a set of 3-inch exhaust for it. Off-brand chambered mufflers. It's a 4-wheel drum brake car. I put a master cylinder on it and went over the brakes just to make sure they were okay, and car drives pretty good. Most all of the wiring is okay on it. As soon as I get the headlights in it, they'll work. pretty much it as far as that car goes. Let me know if y'all want to see more of that car, more of the low budget type stuff, and maybe we can feature some more of that later on. We've got a lot of stuff going on around the shop. Got the 65 Falcon project up on the rotisserie, and waiting to be sandblasted so we can start putting some panels in it. And I've got a Buick Skylark coming in for some wiring, and I've got a Fairlane in here, and a Camaro drag car, and a few other things. Anyway, let me know what y'all would like to see featured on the shop channel, and I'll be putting out some more videos, and look forward to giving y'all some more content. Thanks for watching.